Are you struggling to drive targeted traffic to your website? Do you find the Google search network is getting more expensive by the day and the results you are getting are not the same that you used to get? Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for joining in and welcome to my course Google Display Network Like a Boss. Google Display Network is a goldmine for a huge amount of targeted traffic which you can drive to your website. And the best thing is, it is at a fraction of the cost of the search network. So how does the Google Display Network works? Well, when you browse the internet and go to websites like CNN, Huffington Post, ESPN, and so on, you'll see ads. This is where Google potentially can place your image or video ads on those high volume, high traffic, high quality websites. And you can then target your audience according to who you are targeting and reach your audience wherever they go on the internet. So I've been using the GDN as it is popularly known as for a long time. To the point that I very rarely use the search network for myself and my business. And just like you are watching this video, you probably are either viewing it on YouTube or on some kind of website. I use this network to leverage a huge amount of traffic, reach my audience at a cost which is very affordable, and I get the conversions at a great cost per conversion. So let me go through with you as to what I cover in this course. Um, I'm going to show you exact results as to what I'm achieving. Unfortunately, I can't share my clients' data, but I'm more than happy to share campaigns which I'm running it for myself. I will share my exact strategies, tips, workflows which I use for my own campaign. And this is not about just theory stuff, it is practical stuff. You will watch my workflow over my shoulder as to how I create campaigns, ad groups, ads, how do I do the keyword research, set up the targeting, and these are all set up in small bite-sized videos which are organized in chapters. So you have the setup chapter where you learn about keyword research, campaign, responsive display ads. Then you learn about your targeting, what types of targeting there are, and how you can target your audience. Remarketing is extremely important. You've got to get in front of those visitors to your website who have not converted, and you are leaving a lot of cash on the table if you are not um, running up a remarketing campaign. Then you will learn some of my very advanced GDN strategies, which no one is talking about on the internet and not sharing it on YouTube either. How I upload my campaigns to Google Ads now. Some of my campaigns, in fact, most of my campaigns, are not just made up of one or two ad groups. They are literally tens of thousands of ads in it, thousands of ad groups, and they are pretty big. But having said that, the workflow is lightning fast and very easy to manage. You will not be bogged down in front of your computer or laptop for hours on end and all day long. In fact, my workflow is so quick that I can manage a huge or a big campaign faster than someone who is running a very small campaign. And the last one is obviously the optimization. How to optimize your campaigns, cut out all the wasted budget, and keep putting that budget towards the ad groups or campaigns which are running. And all this you will learn within a couple of hours or so. But at the end of the course, you'll be able to set up, manage, optimize, run, and scale your campaigns. I hope you got a little taster as to the kind of tutorials there are over here, and I hope you invest in this course. I'm positive that you will get loads out of it, and you'll be able to manage and run campaigns like never before. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you in the course.